Yes, guys, welcome back, Jamaican Girl TV. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. But as we were just doing, cutting up the carrot and the potato to put in the soup. And guys, yes, it's red pea soup. Yes, just like the one your mama used to cook, your grandma used to cook, or your auntie used to cook, or your uncle used to cook. 'Cause you know they do a lot of cooking when we are on the island of Jamaica. So welcome back. So now this is the chocho. I'm just gonna peel it and put it in the, cut it up and put it in the pot, guys. This doesn't even, we're gonna see, because this doesn't look like it's too good. We bought it from the shop this evening, but it doesn't look too right. So yes, guys, yes, we're gonna put this in the pot, the potato and the carrot, guys. We're gonna put it in. Here we go. There we go. We put that in. Have to have carrot and potato in your soup, guys. And we'll just let it cook for a little while. And then we're gonna have some thyme and scallion. You can't do without thyme and scallion. And there goes your pepper. See, when we're in Jamaica, it grow on the tree, or you can buy it downtown, whichever one you choose. And then look what we have. We're gonna put this in for the noodles, the Roman noodles. Anyway, I was supposed to pick up a noodle this evening, and I forget, a Maggi noodle, and I forget, but I think I have some Maggi up in there. So I'll get 2 rolls on the Maggi I have, those little cubes, and put them in. That will be great. Thumbs up. Yes, guys, there goes the thyme. And there goes the scallion. I'm going to cut the scallion, cut the top off, and wash it. I've got to wash them. And I'm going to wash the thyme also. And the pepper. Then what am I going to do? I'm going to do like this. Like beat it up like my grandma. I'm not gonna cut anything. I'm just gonna beat it up, you know, like your grandma or your mom do back in the day. Just beat it up. You can cut it up, but I don't like it cut up. I just beat it up. And then I'm gonna put the whole pepper. I'm not gonna burst it. I'm just gonna let it cook. Okay, guys. Guys, that's it.